Joseph. I'm Technical Director here at Unicam in Cape Town, South Africa, and I'm going to be taking you through a few training videos on our CNC machines with the Master control system. Everything that I show you over here is directly transferable into all of our machinery, from our small Scorpio, the 220 volt load shedding alternative, to our smallest in the Excalibur range over here, to all of our large machines. If it has a Master controller unit, you'll be able to control it. And it is really simple, guys. It is really, really simple. So we are going to take you through the basics. I'm going to give you an orientation around the machine, and we'll take it from there. This is the front of your machine, okay? The x-axis runs from left to right. You can see there's a nifty little sticker that we put on there. Makes life a lot simpler. Y-axis is backwards and forwards, and Z-axis is up and down. Spindle normally has the very sharp cutty bit. Okay, do not stick your fingers into it. I'm going to be running a separate training video on safety and running through all of those things, but generally do not stick your finger in it. It cuts metal, it cuts aluminium, it cuts perspex. Anything you stick into it will basically cut, including your fingers, so don't. On our gantry legs, you'll see in the front as well as in the back, there are 2 emergency stops. Okay, anything goes really strange, hit the emergency stop. There is one on your panel, which we'll show you now when I do an orientation around the massive control screen. Okay. Right, guys, so to switch your machine on is really simple. First of all, make sure it's actually plugged in. Otherwise, you're not going to get anywhere. Main contactor switch. Light comes on. And then just like a PC, green button. Light comes on over here. You'll actually hear the internal electronics actually switch on. Switched on the machine, we've got power. You can see it's telling me that the e-stop is in. It's flashing and it tells me to release the button, as well as the home me button, the yellow flashing thing. So you release the e-stop. If the e-stop does not clear over here, it normally means that one of your other e-stops is in. So always do a double check around the gantry to make sure that nobody else in your workshop has come along and pushed in a random e-stop button. Once the e-stop is cleared, you need to double tap the home button. Now if you see what's busy happening over here, the Z-axis is going up, the Y-axis is moving forward, and the X is moving to the left. But the reason why the machine needs to home in the morning and after you've had an e-stop, okay, is that internally the master needs to know where its machine coordinates zeros are on both X, Y, and Z. Which means that you have repeatability for any work offset, which we'll discuss a little bit later, saved on your table, which means that you can run multiple jigs, and as long as your machine is homed, it'll remember those positions for the multiple jigs. Remember as well, Masso comes as a standard safety feature. You cannot run a G code without actually homing the machine first.